Welcome to another interview here from Evertiq Expo in Tampere. I'm joined by Piotr Owczarek from AIRob, who just had a presentation on modular robotics in high-mix, low-volume manufacturing. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for the invitation.
What would you say is the biggest or most common challenge that companies face when implementing modular robotics into an existing production line?
Yeah, in my opinion, there are two things. One is technical and one is human. Technical is this problem with positioning. If you have existing line, whatever you move, you need to build all the positions from the beginning. So you need to calibrate the robots, calibrate the position, calibrate testers, everything need to calibrate. So this is very challenging if you have something already working, it's working well. It's a lot of work if you need to modify.
Yeah.
And human challenge is a risk. If you have working solution, working machine, working line, and you are satisfied, if you want to move whatever, it's a risk and people are a bit afraid, try to avoid the risk, so they don't want to change what is working good enough.
Yeah. So considering that, from your experience, where would you say that modular robotic cells or boxes have the fastest ROI? Is it in assembly or material handling or testing?
It's everywhere, what you mentioned. This is not a process. The flexibility is a question. So it's working, modular solution working everywhere where you have needs to change. Speaking about what I was previously explained, if you have a lot of changes, you need modularity. Yeah. So if your production is not 10 years of the stable production of the one product, there is a best way to automate with modularity.
During your presentation, you made an emphasis of being pragmatic when you approach automation. What would you say is a common over-automation mistake, or where companies automate things that maybe doesn't need to?
Yeah. I think that we have a trend, vibe, we want to automate. I understand this fully because cost of work is growing, availability of operators is growing, is limited. So we want to automate, and there is a vibe for automation, and we want to automate everything. And the biggest mistake and over-automation is if you want to automate first before you look on the process. So when I'm looking on the automation, I'm looking, okay, we need to simplify the process first. Then we need to categorize this to select what is good to automate, what is not good to automate. And my belief is that we should automate maybe 70-80% of the processes and keep the 20% for human, which is the most efficient. And the next thing, if you make traditional conservative automation for the short life cycle product. If the product is living on the market 1 or 2 years, if you make automation during this time, it will change and you will have not flexible automation for product which need flexibility. Yeah.
So in today's world, AI is the talk of the town. But AI in automated processes and robotics manufacturing is also on everyone's lips. But what would you say the uses of AI, where does it provide benefit and where is it still kind of a hype?
Yeah. So first of all, we have almost everyone who is thinking AI is thinking about ChatGPT, LLMs. And this is not AI which we are using in the robotics. We need to think about physical artificial intelligence, which is new verbs becoming more and more popular. And physical automation is helping us with the, how to call it, if you accept some probability. So because artificial intelligence is not the 100%, it's always some 99.99. So if you accept that you need to look on this, this is coming you advantage. If you expect 100% sure, then it's still vibe. It's over automation.
One of the examples you used in your presentation was a robotic arm that understood a changing environment. Would that be a good use of AI, where the robotic arm could analyze a new problem that happened in front of it?
Yes, this is what our product are doing. We are working in different light. This is something what was in the beginning biggest challenge for cameras and vision for robots. If you have sun shining and sun disappearing, this is different environment for the AI and cameras. And what you mentioned, when the situation is changing, when robots with AI is analyzing this new situation and solving this problem. This is a good advantage.
Well, thank you for the interview and wish you good luck.
Thank you.